Well, hello there, folks. Bill O'Leary coming at you in this video. And what I'm going to talk about is something that's timely here for the holidays. I'm shooting this video just 3 days before Christmas here in 2023. And the topic is what to look for in your aging parents when you're visiting for the holidays. So first, quick introduction. Again, my name is Bill O'Leary. I'm an attorney, estate planning, probate, elder law is what I do. The firm Legacy Planning Law Group located in Jacksonville, Florida. So let's jump in. So the purpose for I guess this video and for encouraging you to be more aware is that you basically are a fresh set of eyes. Maybe you live out of town and you're coming to visit mom and dad or mom or dad for the holidays. And so maybe you haven't seen them for a while. So you remember how they were 6 months ago, 9 months ago, whatever it was. And now you're seeing them anew with a fresh set of eyes. So, you know, in that one-on-one setting, sort of sit back and evaluate, or also look at them and evaluate them in a group setting, okay, maybe over a family dinner, and see how they act, see if they're acting differently. Now, what are some red flags to focus on? One, their health, both physical and mental. So their physical health, do they appear a little bit more infirm? Have they developed some physical maladies since you last saw them? What about their mental condition, their cognitive condition? Are they maybe just a little bit slower? And again, if you haven't seen them for a while, the fresh set of eyes is going to help inform you with that. Have there been appetite changes? Are they not eating as much or as well as they did? Or maybe have they lost weight? Has there been some weight loss? What's their appearance? You know, how do they look? Are they well kept? Are they sort of letting things go? Maybe appear a little bit more, slovenly. When they wake up, are they not sort of getting changed for the day? Are they staying in their pajamas or whatnot? How about this one? Look in the refrigerator. Is there rotting food? Is there food that's been there a while? Telltale red flag. What about the house? Is the house clean? Okay. Has your aging parent always been one to keep the house up and now maybe not so much? What about their disposition, their interaction? Do they appear a little bit more withdrawn than they did before? What about looking at their walking? A red flag would be sort of their walking, their gait. Are they walking a little bit slower than they did before? Does their walking appear a little bit more unsteady than it was before? Again, fresh set of eyes if you haven't seen them for a while. Also, use this opportunity to locate important documents. Don't wait until maybe it's too late and you're trying to scramble to find things. So maybe locate and secure in one place important cards, identification cards, the driver's license, the Medicare card, the Social Security card, important financial records, maybe some statements of financial accounts. How about a deed on the house? Locate the deed on the house. Insurance information. So again, gather all of those important documents in one place. Then, if you do have an opportunity while you are visiting, go to the doctor with them, because you can be, again, a second set of eyes and ears. You can hear things where maybe your aging parent might not remember or understand. And to the extent you have a chance to go visit a lawyer, like an estate planning lawyer, again, that second set of eyes and ears. And then it's having the talk. So it's that important talk with aging mom and dad. It may be a tough talk, tough love. First of all, why do people, even though they may think that it's important to have the talk, why do they delay? Well, maybe they are afraid, they're concerned, they don't know where to start, they don't know what to say, maybe they feel the timing isn't right, they're afraid of the reaction. How about that? But do not delay. Don't wait until it's too late, because then it could be quite costly. So ideally start when they're a little bit healthier. And some tips when having the talk. Be patient. Be patient with them. This is mom and dad. Listen. Be empathetic. You may want to take notes. And let's say you have other family members like siblings that are maybe not in on the talk. Be transparent with them. You don't want to get sideways. with siblings. So again, listen, emphasize. There's no pressure in what you're talking about. There's no pressure. You want them to feel like they're being listened to. Focus on sort of the important things, the big picture items with them. And then do have a game plan going into the talk. Just don't go in and wing it, but think about it ahead of time, sort of organize your thoughts and figure out a good place to sort of initiate the conversation. So hey, if you want to know a little bit more about the signs to look for when visiting an aging parent during the holidays, and maybe how we can help you plan for your aging parents, we'd love to talk to you. So as we do with all these videos, we invite you to schedule a free 15-minute phone call. We call it our discovery call. Just click on the link that appears now in this video to schedule the time that works for you. If you've enjoyed this video, we would ask that you like and share with your friends, and do subscribe to our YouTube channel. So, Bill O'Leary signing off for now. Go make it a great day, a better world, and have a great Christmas holiday season.